I have come to a very special place. This is like the plant heaven where you can find all type of plants. Like, can you just imagine this? I mean, I don't know. This won't do you justice if you see from the video, but have a look. Like, just imagine this is only one of their aquarium setup. Just so beautiful. Wait, I'll show you more. Just look at the flora and fauna flourishing here. It's absolutely a wanderlust. Can you see? Just imagine. I'll try showing the fishes, okay? I'll try showing the fishes. This is beautiful. What a beauty. I'll show one more. Show this. Like you can see such good collection of all the plants and the rocks. You can get all the kind of aquarium setups you need. They have so much of variety, like so much of variety, so much of lights, so much of plants, so many options to choose from. And they have their inventory over here. You can see so many options of the woods for the landscaping and beautiful rocks, wild lava rocks. We have wild rhino stones over here, Seriyu stones over here. Beautiful plants to choose from. We have some tree barks out here. से ये जापान से है। अच्छा, ये पूरा मलेशिया से स्टॉक्स है। अच्छा, और ये सारे मलेशिया, ये पूरा मलेशिया जापान। और आपके लावा रॉक्स कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? सही बात है, बट हाँ कलेक्शन है भाई। रेड लावा है ना, रेड दिख रहा है ना रेड रेड रेड, और ये ब्लैक इसके बीच में है जो डिफरेंस है। ये सारे ड्रिफ्ट वुड्स है ना। तो और दिखाते सी दिस, ये अलग ही इकोसिस्टम, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल। I can show from the top. Just look at this. Just look at this. Just look at it. इसको खोल सकते हैं ना? अच्छा, प्लीज। वाओ, हम भी मिनीचर होकर के अंदर घूमने जा सकते हैं। इसमें अभी कोई फिश या कुछ नहीं है ना? इसमें भी नहीं, इसमें बस ये इकोसिस्टम बन के रखा हुआ है, राइट? हाँ। एंड रॉक्स के ऊपर में ये पूरे मॉस लगे हुए हैं ना। ब्यूटीफुल। ये भी खुल सकता है क्या? वाह, ये स्प्रिंकलर्स है ऊपर में।
हाँ।
अच्छा, इसको ऐसे बंद करना है। ओके। पूरा इकोसिस्टम बंद करके, इमेजिन।
All of you must be wondering, what are the water droplets on the terrarium glass doing? It definitely indicates a functioning, self-contained and humid ecosystem, with moisture cycling from the soil to the walls and back.
They have so much of variety. So much of variety. Literally. And I'll show you something very interesting is this aquarium. You can see how clear the water is and the setup is so beautiful. You can just see it's like the whole ocean is above water just for you, just for your home. It's such a beautiful setup. Can't imagine the kind of peace I'm getting.
I was so glad to meet the person who was responsible for this entire place, which is magical, whimsical, and fantastic, Mr. Varun himself.
It's a beautiful space of yours. Can you tell me, like, for how many years we've been doing this? What made you, choose this over everything else?
So I've been doing this since 2013, but commercially since 2018.
Hmm?
So almost 8 years that we've been doing this
8 years.
commercially. I have been a part of ITs for 15, 16, 17 odd years.
Wow.
And-
So this must be your hobby or your passion.
Yes, it used to be once upon a time, but yeah, we decided to take that leap of faith, and Big Fours were a little bit.
You have given a
But
gift
God-
to everyone. To be very honest, you have given a gift to everyone because you can see the kind of efforts you've put in each of the ways each of the setup itself and built an ecosystem.
So,
Beautiful.
so we just came out from a Big Four company, and then we thought, okay, let's try this.
That's beautiful.
I've been, whatever it is, ups and downs.
Yeah.
It gives more satisfaction. I mean, it gives us happiness. It gives happiness to people. So
That's true.
that's good.
So, like, where are you situated and
We are located,
how can people reach you?
we are located in HRBL layout, CMR Road, opposite Axis Bank or Barbecue Nation. So those are two
Sure.
landmarks.
Sure.
The building opposite that. And if they want to reach us, they can reach out to us on WhatsApp or 9153 971010.
Hey guys, if you like the video, show your love and do subscribe. Take care.